So here's how you can hide apps and games on Play Store. So for that reason, let me just open up the Play Store application, and then from here you need to go to the top right side corner, which is actually the profile icon. Simply tap on that, and then from here simply go with the settings. Now once you have done to here, you can simply go and tap on the family option right over here, and then go with the parental controls here. Tap on this option, and now open this up firstly, and now it will ask for a pin. So let me just set a pin like this and tap on OK. Once again I will do the same. Alright, right after that you need to go to the apps and games. So select this one, and now you need to select the first option, like rated for 3+. So if you tap on these, the other games, like the games which are rated for 7+ and 12+, 13+, 16+, 18+, all games will be removed from your Play Store. So tap on the save, and the apps above rated 3+ will be removed. So that's how you can simply hide apps and games on Play Store. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.